Our friend Osama is actually going to Pakistan, so we in our break are going to drop him off at his accommodation. So here we go.
Yes.
Osama, what would be a good place for lunch? Took classes for the license.
Yes.
Rashid, how was your class today? How was it?
My computer classes.
Yeah. Check out the majlis. The majlis there are actually very good. Osama, we are closing the door because of our
Privacy.
So Osama is opening the food. Osama just opened the food, and in the mean, Mumtaz. Hello. This is Jarish and this is Phil. Thank you, Ji. That was a close call. Tell about its taste.
Jarish is good.
Okay, everyone. So right now I'm going to my friend Samar. Samar, where are we right now?
We are right now at Matam Lalaji Al Bukhari.
Lalaji Al Bukhari.
Yeah.
Is it
We will
good?
enjoy a rare Gujarat taste.
Okay. Okay. So this is mutton kadahi. We have roti, some yogurt. There we have Samar.
Here I am.
Yeah, they were less sweet than you, Samar.
Oh.
You are very kind and nice person. Samar, such a good shot.
Also show them a Riyadh station.
Well, on this road, Samar.
Not more than you.
Oh, so now we are equal. I cannot ever pay you, Samar. You know why?
Why?
Because your efforts for me are priceless. Yeah. So, by the way, Rashid watches all the videos regularly.
Oh, wow, very nice.
Yeah. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. So, our friend Osama is actually going to Pakistan. So, we in our break are going to drop him off at his accommodation. So, we are waiting for Osama, and then actually we'll drop him off. We'll have lunch together, and then inshallah he will then reach Pakistan. He is going to get wed actually. Let me show you. He is actually also coming in front of us. There we have Osama. Osama. Let me open up the car for him. Osama, how are you? How are you? I'm fine. We are also fine. Yeah. So you want to take the camera?
Okay.
Okay. Let me just put on my sunshades. Take the camera from me. And well, Osama, you have to let me know the route. Okay. We'll go from the backside of Sharfia, right?
Yes.
Okay. So here we go.
Yes.
Osama, what would be a good place for lunch? Where we can even charge our phone or something?
In Tuik.
Yeah, in Tuik.
And what do you want in type of foods?
What do you
Fast
suggest over
food
there?
or
Not really fast food.
traditional?
Something traditional can also work.
You know, one day we together take a maybe lunch or a dinner in
It
on
was
Tuik.
dinner. It was dinner. That
Yes.
was actually good. That
Yes.
was good.
And
It
good
was,
place and have some
It
facilities.
was called Saudi Kabsa or something.
Yes,
Yeah,
right.
Yeah. So today it's sort of hot as well.
Really.
So let us just
Turn on the AC.
turn on the AC. And well, just give me the camera. I'll put it over there.
You take
To
a
record
right.
take a right or left?
Right.
You want us to go right? Okay, Osama. So here we go. There in the distance we have the Kingdom Tower. Sama left?
No, straight.
Okay, straight. Sama, what are your feelings going to Pakistan?
Very happy.
MashaAllah. Glad to know. Sama, we are still in Sharfia.
Rashi take classes for the
Oh yes.
training for license.
Yeah,
Take a
Rashid took
license.
classes for the license.
Yes.
Rashid, how was your class today? How was it?
My computer classes.
Yeah.
Done right.
How did it go?
Good. Now the training of tomorrow, practical training of car.
Okay.
Maybe one training. Yes.
Just
Then
Then
Yes.
Then
This question is coming, double line.
double line. Okay.
Do not cross this line.
yes,
Oh,
yes, you're right, Mr. Rashid.
You are right, Rashid. We shall not cross the
But
double
in
line.
between and some dots. So here, have allow or not?
No, no.
Same like this.
These
one.
dots.
Not allowed. Yellow dots. Not allowed.
Yellow line you can cross from the yellow dotted line. Sama, right?
Right. Good. Straightforward. Take a picture, but
Not in his mobile. Okay, I think maybe it's Abdullah or. Straight.
yes.
The taxi passengers are asking for the directions. Anyways, Osama, can you give the wide lens? I'll try to put the wide lens on the camera, and we will show people how the wide lens work. And let's have some light come from the top. Rashid, how's the camera?
It's good camera.
It's really good, and it's also making a lot of interesting content. Osama, please give the wide lens. Hey, come on, the small little wide lens. It's here. It's in there somewhere.
The magnet. We found the magnet, but not lens.
Oh, the small little lens, Osama.
Yes, yes, I know.
This is too bad. We
Very.
here is. You found it?
No. Yes, yes.
Finally.
Finally.
We have to put on the wide lens, inshallah. So you see, there's a magnet on here, and somehow inside. Okay. We are taking
Then
the.
also take inside because you remember have a
Yeah. I remember.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put the wide lens on here.
So now you take
Oh
a
yeah,
left. Take a
see
left,
Rashid,
take a
how
left.
wide it is.
Take a left.
Yes.
Camera nearest should take a left.
Let's show you the scenes on the road. See, this one time I made a very sharp turn from here. If you cross this yellow line, you'll get. Oh, Sama, look at that.
Yes.
That's a fine.
Yes.
That's a fine. Look at that car going, and there's a camera on top.
Camera.
Rashid, this is a confirmed fine. We were at the Usama very edge of it.
Very
right?
edge.
Very
Very
edge
edge.
of it. This
How
guy.
much fine this will become?
This fine will come in his upshare.
Yeah.
Through
300
the
to
camera.
500.
300 something, I think.
There is
have
also
a
camera?
No.
There have a one camel market and also Mr. Rashid like a camel.
Camel, he likes camels.
Camel meat, milk.
Also milk.
Where?
There you go some further.
From outside or?
No, here right side.
There is no camera.
You still wait, not openly. They have
The camels are hidden, Osama?
because Mr. Rashid came here, so
Inside this?
So they have went into hiding.
This is another market.
this is for
See the camels, Rashid?
camel.
So we can
Every
easily
color-
get the
every color
milk,
here.
huh?
Yeah,
Milk also.
all the colors of the camels here. Look at these camels.
So
Lots
we
and
will
lots
plan,
of
like,
I think the one that we went to in the desert, that was actually better, Rashid.
this is not better.
This one is just a farm.
Spoiled. 1 year, most of age.
Good morning.
Rashid Mia. It was not Saudi Kabsa, it was Al Saudi. Yeah, we are at Al Saudi restaurant, and the traffic signal was, you know, there was a camera and
signal.
yeah, and we turned at the right time actually, thankfully.
Because Mr. Rashid on the car.
Ah, yeah, there it is. There it is. So right now we are in the Al Saudi restaurant, and now going upstairs. There we have Osama and Rashid. What are you guys selecting? Osama, go for a Faham. Ah, what are you selecting, Osama?
किधर है
Moyo. 11th lata. Rice up जरा दे दो.
कहीं चलता है कहीं नहीं चलता
चलेगा ये?
फाइनल ड्राइव में आपका कार्ड ले जाऊंगा
इंशाल्लाह ले जाएंगे.
उधर नहीं चला था फिर दूसरे
कोई नहीं, ले ले कोई नहीं. कितने फाइनल ट्राई पे? ओह अच्छा, चले जाइए तो ले जाइए. Come the guy? Okay, thank you. Sama, are you?
छोटे वाले में चलो
Check out the majlis. The majlis there are actually very good. What is he doing? He's getting very naughty. Somehow you have to control it from the joystick.
Yes.
Somehow we are closing the door because of
Privacy.
Where is the lock?
Because Chacha here.
Somehow we will miss you.
Really.
Now I am going to edit
yeah.
some videos.
Saudi.
Yeah, we have the break. Somehow why is the camera so low?
Low?
Yeah.
How to
Yeah,
you
now
see?
it's above. Yeah. Okay, time to get to work. Also have a charger. I'm gonna charge my phone. The majlis here is actually really good, Osama, right?
Really.
Sama,
Very
just end the
peaceful
video.
and neat and clean. Okay.
Just end the video. So, Osama is opening the food. Osama just opened the food, and in the meanwhile we are uploading one of the video on the Street View channel. You can also subscribe to this. And look at this. We have a faham. Oh wow! This is Mahmood. Mumtaz. Hello. This is Jarish, and this is Filfil. Thank you, Ji. Rashid, your favorite Filfil. Oh, nice. Superb. Osama.
Really? Super.
चले बिस्मिल्लाह करें
बिस्मिल्लाह करें जी, बिस्मिल्लाह करें. Rashid, what's the review about these? Now first check the Jarish. You are trying Jarish for the first time. I want you to tell about its taste.
Jarish is good.
It's good.
Same
Really
like,
good. Kheer,
Not kheer.
but salty.
Look like
बैगन मालूम बैगन
Bengan, Barta?
भुट्टा या
Barta. Yeah, very nice. And what about this? This is actually normal. The rice. What do you think about the rice?
rice.
Why are you laughing? Focus on eating. Otherwise, tell about your experience.
I'm very happy.
You are going to get married, huh?
This rice is completely separate.
This is separate, and this one is also tasty.
This is
Also tasty. Yeah. Okay, Osama. It was pleasure
Really.
eating with you.
miss you.
The final lunch. Okay, Rashid. Now we are gonna go back to work. Look at what these cats are doing. Oh goodness. This seems like a naughty one. And it's attacking that. Okay everyone, so right now I'm going to my friend Samar, and well, I have to give him some of his stuff that I brought from Pakistan, and other than that we are gonna catch up on a lot of stuff. So it's been a very long day at work even, and well, I just went with Usama to drop him off. That was also some time well spent. So just tag along with me on this ride till his place. And what was the name of his place? Sultana. Yeah, Sultana. So we are going there and we'll meet him. Okay everyone, so now we are departing for Sultana, and I have a few options of the route that I can take, and well, I'm contemplating that which route I shall be taking. So anyways, I'm gonna meet Samar. It's been, I think, a couple of months and a few days more. I also made a vlog when I met Samar before going, so yeah, that was also quite a day, and it feels like a very recent memory. And anyways, well, what do we have over here? A car is coming from in front of us. How are we gonna go about it? Okay, let's see if there's margin. Okay, so yeah, we did manage, but the other guy was coming wrong. And well, here we go. This is the King Abdullah Road. I hope all of you are getting very good views from this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And the red building on the left that you see is the Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib Hospital. Well, it was under construction when I actually came here, and then it's now operational. As for us, we are gonna take a U-turn back onto the King Abdullah Road again to actually go down the ramp. And there are a lot of good places, food places to the right, including Farnadaya, Mama Noora. That was a close call. I hope all of you are in the best of your health, wealth, love and happiness in your lives, inshallah. The good thing about this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is that we can actually adjust the camera with this joystick. So gives the feeling of using a Sony Ericsson that we used to use back in the days. I had a Sony flip phone. I don't exactly remember the model, but it also had a joystick in the center. Even the ones that were from Nokia, the Nokia N70 series and the, I believe, the 90 series as well, they had the joysticks in between them to move in the menu. But here the joystick is serving a purpose to move the camera. So the traffic isn't moving, so I thought let's just give you a review of how this DJI Osmo is working. So I can even actually, there's a button that will turn it back to the road rather quickly, and if I want to use the joystick, I can make a turn as well. Look at the hotel to the right, as you see. Okay, why am I going down? So to the right is Shaitan Saif. You see, I'm recording all of this from within the cabin of this car. So let me just now turn it back to the road. However, the point being that the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 it's a wonderful camera and it has a lot of utility. So my friend Samar will also be waiting for me, so we have to reach him, inshallah. Where are we right now?
We are right now at Matam Lalaji Al Bukhari.
Lalaji Al Bukhari.
Yeah.
Is it
We will
good?
enjoy a rare Gujarat taste.
Okay, really?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Let's see. Oh, by the way, today was Osama's last day here.
Ah.
So he's also going on a vacation. He's getting married.
Oh my god. For how much days?
He is going for 2 months. 2 months for now.
मैंने पुलाव खाना आया पुलाव है पुलाव देखने में पुलाव है बिरयानी है चिकन बिरयानी पुलाव पुलाव साथ चावल से
Covered the majlis of this restaurant. Check this out. अच्छा तो ये सीन है
ये सीन
तो सामान जा रहा 2 महीने के ओके सो हियर वी गो वी हैव द कड़ाही मटन कड़ाही समर हाउ इज द मटन कड़ाही
I will tell after taste.
okay so this is mutton kadahi we have roti some yogurt salads and Samar seem like
I'm ready to eat.
yeah bismillah so now we have the tea and Samar how was the taste of the mutton kadahi
It was wonderful.
yeah
Very delicious.
Yeah.
Same like desi mutton kadai. Same like in Pakistan.
Yeah.
We are sitting in Pakistan.
I second that yeah.
We are sitting in Pakistan and enjoying mutton kadai.
Yeah,
in,
really.
In desi village area, something like that.
Really, it felt like that and now adjust the gimbal here we have the tea the sweets here we have the tea
Correct.
karak
Strong.
Strong.
Tea. Special. Correct. Strong.
nice
Strong. Tea.
so we are gonna discuss a lot of stuff and we are gonna have our tea so now we are walking down the road and there we have Samar
Here I am.
there you are and these are the scenes by the way we have the metro track here as well Samar such a good shot
Also show them a Riyadh station.
yeah
Bus station.
yeah so the metro just passed by us and we are now walking gonna actually talk about a lot of stuff that we were actually talking about before in the restaurant so we had some very good mutton kadahi and then we also had tea and some sweets Pakistani sweets yeah sweet yeah yeah they were less sweet than you Samar you are very kind and nice person and yeah by the way it's actually quite cool over here and well on this road Samar
Not more than you.
oh so now we are equal by the way last time we were actually sitting down the road when I came to Samar before going to Pakistan I handed him some stuff and all that but we had some very long conversation down this road
Now he took back his all the stuff without giving some reals, without giving anything. He
Yeah.
took back.
I cannot ever pay you Samar you know why
Why?
because your efforts for me are priceless how was that let us know in the
Very
comments
good. Very good. New one.
yeah take notes yeah okay so now we have to talk about our stuff see you later or maybe this should be the end of the vlog so we'll see each other in the next one and Osama if you are seeing this video and we hope that you reach safely right Samar because he is in the start of the vlog as well
He will not see. You know why?
he is going to get married and he is in a different mind But-
He have some more important stuff in Pakistan.
yeah come from here Samar come from here yeah so by the way Rashid watches all the videos regularly
Oh, wow, very nice.
yeah
Wallah,
hi Rashid
Wallah, Rashid, I miss you.
nah.
Yeah, Rashid. Yeah, Rashid.
hi Rashid and bye everyone
बढ़ गया.
रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुआ अभी हमने बड़ा कुछ बोला लेकिन वो रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुआ, वो सारा बढ़ गया
कुछ बोला और सारा
So now finally we are at our car. The end of the video was supposed to be before, but we made this the end. So just that Samar could say bye to everyone.
Bye bye everyone. Love is
Stay blessed.
Stay
हाँ.
blessed.
Thank you. Bye bye. So here we have Osama trying out the all new Sportage.
Cottage.
Mashallah, Osama, you look great.
And car.
And the car looks fabulous. What a beautiful combination. And we also have Rashid. Rashid, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, good.
You applied for your driving license today and you had your test, right?
Yes.
मैंने आपको कहा था यार आपको
इसको बोलो यार, प्लास्टिक तो निकालो आप।
यार बस ठीक है।
खाली इतनी तो